Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to use the advanced video editing feature in Trupeer. Once you're on the edit page, you'll see the advanced edit mode option. Previously, we had the trim option. That has now been updated to the advanced editing feature. On the edit page, hover over the icon here to view advanced edit mode. If you want to use this feature, click it. This will open advanced edit mode. It is specifically designed for managing the voice and the clicks happening in the video. Here you can precisely match those differences in the video. Let me start with a basic example. In this chunk, you can observe that the word documentation and the click are mismatched. As you can see, the click is happening slightly slower than the voiceover. To match this frame, select the particular word in the chunk. Once the word is selected, the Move Frame option will appear here. Click it. Then you will see the frame alignment option enabled here. In the particular chunk, your selected word will be highlighted as target keyword, along with the timestamp. It is clearly mentioned in the second block. Now I will show how to align it. First, hover the cursor on the particular block you selected and move it toward the left side or right side to align the frame. Once the cursor is moved, click the Save option. Then play the video for reference. You can see the chunk is completely aligned. Now you can see the sync is matched exactly compared to the previous frames. This is how you can use the advanced sync and click matching in advanced video edit mode. You can also revert the version changes if needed. Click the undo option to revert the version. If needed, you can also redo the same changes. Once done, click on Save Changes. In the same video, I will explain one more feature called Trim. Trim a particular section of the video. Here, if you want to keep the audio in the same video but delete a particular part of the video, click the independent option here. For example, I want to remove this particular part of the video section, but I need only the audio part. To do that, select the particular chunk in the timeline. Then drag and drop the block based on how much video you want to skip. Here you can see the skip has been applied. Then click the skip option. It will update automatically. That chunk will be skipped for that particular part, and only the audio will appear. The remaining video content will be skipped. If you want to remove that, click the unskip option. The chunk will be unskipped here. This is how you can use the trim option as well. Once everything is done, click Save Changes. To proceed, the Save Changes acknowledgement will appear one more time. Click Save again. Then the changes will be saved in advanced edit mode. These are the two features I explained in this video. There are two more features in the advanced video editing, including how to split the chunk and chunk manipulation. I will explain those in another video. Thank you for watching.